Start in just a moment. Okay, we're on the record in cause number M1960623, the state of Texas versus Gabriel Renteria. This is a hearing for purposes of the defendant entering an agreed plea. Therefore, the state of Texas has waived its appearance. We are appearing over Zoom, also live streaming on YouTube with the court's court reporter, the court's probation officer, defense attorney David Reyna, and the defendant Gabriel Renteria. Mr. Renteria, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Are you Gabriel Renteria?
I am. Yes, ma'am.
And what is your date of birth?
9/12/85.
Can you speak up, please?
9/12/85.
9/12/85, ma'am.
Did you agree that we do your plea over video conference?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand what you're charged with?
Correct. I do. Yes, ma'am. I do.
I cannot hear you.
Sorry about that. Yes, ma'am. I do. I understand.
Okay. Have you
Ma'am?
discussed your rights with your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to have a trial?
No, ma'am.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you believe your client is mentally competent?
Yes.
Mr. Renteria, what is your plea?
No
Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
contest, ma'am.
Mr. Reyna?
No contest. No contest, ma'am.
No contest. Okay. I accept your plea of no contest. While the evidence is sufficient to find you guilty, instead of doing that, I'm going to place you on deferred adjudication probation for 6 months. Also assessing a $250 fine plus court costs. As long as you meet your probation conditions, after the 6 months, this case will be dismissed. Do you understand, however, this case will still appear on your criminal record unless you take steps to conceal it? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. I do understand.
Do you understand one of the steps you can take is file a petition for non-disclosure?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that a non-disclosure is a court order to the Texas Department of Public Safety to not disclose your criminal record to the general public?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Say it louder, please.
Yes, ma'am. I understand. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you understand that even if that petition is granted, there are certain agencies that will still have access to this record?
Correct. I understand.
Do you understand those agencies include law enforcement, schools, hospitals, federal securities agencies, and many more?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you understand ultimately this case will never be completely removed from your criminal record unless you receive a pardon from the governor of Texas?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
It looks like you have 3 days back time credit that you served in jail. I will apply that towards your $250 fine and court costs.
Thank you
I can't hear
very
you.
much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Any remaining balance you have, you'll have to pay the cashier up front or make a payment plan with collections.
Okay.
All right, counsel, do you have your client's personal data sheet to read into the record, please?